Roger, I've been looking all over the place for you. I've landed at every airport in East Tennessee looking for you.
So you got my box.
Trying to get rid of this box.
You got my box.
I'm tired of hauling it around.
Man, I really appreciate it. I do. Guys, look here what I've got. The box has landed here in Tennessee.
The box has landed.
Thank you so much, Dan.
Looky, 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 that landed down here in Morristown, Tennessee. The box that Roger has been waiting on for some time now.
That has. Guys, this here is, it's been tossed around all over the United States. John from Live for Wild started this several months ago, and it has, it's went through some major channels. And I think you've got the list of all the channels.
I do. Looks like Jack's Drink Water.
He got it first.
Second was the Weekend Hiker. Third was Blue Collar Backcountry. Number 4 is ATH Outdoors. And number 5 is Backcountry Exposure. 6, Nate Large. 7, Great American Survival. And 8, Roger Lamb.
It's here with us, here, like I said, here in East Tennessee. The rules on this is, I can't show you what's in the box, but I can take something out of the box, but I've got to also return something in the box, which I'm the last person to get it. Now I'm going to be sending it back to Nate. Not Nate, sorry about that.
Live for Wild.
I'm going to be sending it back to John, Live for Wild. And John's going to do a big giveaway on this box. And from what I've heard, there are some killer stuff in this box. Like I said, I can't show you what's in it. So, let's do the unboxing here. I'm kind of curious about this. This thing, like I said, it's been passed around to quite a bit of channels. And, I mean, he put together a pretty good holy whiz. Holy whiz. Well, I wish I could show you what's in this box. Oh my. I'll tell you what. This box is stuffed with stuff.
It is. It's packed full.
Hell, it'd take me 30 minutes to pack it back in here. All right, guys. Let me get back with you. Well, guys, I have went through the box. My goodness. I still can't get over they got all this in here.
I know, it's packed full.
I'm thinking, geez, Everett sent tree slings. I do not do hammocks. We've got an Eno hammock, and we're going to start maybe just kind of venturing in that area a little bit, but we're going to see what this is like. It's a hammock hanging kit. And also the little charade knife here. I love little bitty knives. I don't carry much in my pockets. I hate stuff in my pockets. I carry this little bitty thing right here just to keep stuff when I need
That'll be good for lightweight also.
But guys, thank you all so much. I mean, this has been a great little.
It's been fun.
It has. It's been wonderful.
He's like a little kid waiting for the package to come in.
It has. And, you know, been watching everybody's videos, you know,
Yes.
how they are. And John has put on something pretty awesome here. Letting it travel, like I said, all over the U.S. And it has. It's been a pretty neat little thing you put on, John. But other than that, guys, thank you all so much, and we're going to get this thing back to John to where he can do a big giveaway. Everybody's got to be subscribers to all of our channels before they can even participate in this.
Yes.
So other than that, guys, I think
We got it.
we got
So
it.
from down here from Morristown, Tennessee,
We got to go.
see you, bye.